Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, there is really no details and no complicated procedure behind actually creating your own Google Drive. If you create a Google account, you will already have access to your own drive, and you can create your Google account very easy. Either you're not signed in and you don't have an account, and you can just go to sign up on the Google main page and create a Google account, or you can go and add a new account such as this, and you can create an account like this for personal use, and then you enter all the credentials that you want to have. Once you do that, you can go to the Google main page, or you can go to Drive. You can do whatever, and you can click these here Google apps, and you can just click on Drive, and it'll open up your Drive for you. And from here, you can do a couple of different things. You can right click and create folders, create files, upload folders, etc., etc. It really is that simple. It is that easy, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.